Hello, people. So let us today get to our first tutorial from Tech Nexus. So basically, today we are going to write our first PHP program, and I have written an article and a learning step in our blogger that I introduced yesterday. That is digital.legiotechdevelopers.co.ke. You'll find this good article of getting started with PHP, writing your first program in PHP. So in this article, just read a bit about the introduction of PHP, and you can get here whereby we are going to set up our environment. So we need two softwares to get ourselves started. So one of the software we need is Visual Studio Code, which is an IDE, integrated development environment, where we are going to be editing our PHP scripts. So you just go to that blog post and go direct to where there is this link. You just click download Visual Studio Code. It will redirect you to this nice page for downloading, and you just download. If you have Mac or Windows, you just download to your preference. So let me just go back. Then we have the other one that we need to have the example, which is a local web server. So you just go to download example on that link. Basically the link of this blog will be in my comment section, so you just go there and just download the example. So just download the example. You just download you can download the latest version or in the version that is here. So you just download, and after downloading and installing both the Visual Studio Code and the example, you just go to your control panel, and you just type example, open example. Yes, let it open up. This is how it will open up, and once it open up, you need to start the Apache and the MySQL. You need to start the Apache and MySQL. After you do that, now let's get started. So you go to your files and navigate to your local disk C. You basically see a folder called example. Today I'm going to use this second example 2. I created that folder. So but yours, when you install, you'll have this folder called example. So you just click on that folder and you navigate where there is htdocs. When you navigate where there is htdocs, you create a new folder. Let's call our folder our first let's call our first, let it call just first program. Yeah, let's just it stay like that. So after you create this folder, you just come here. You can just minimize this page. Let me minimize this page. Let me just minimize in a short while. Yes. So yeah, you minimize the I prefer doing this to reduce the then you open up the Visual Studio Code. You can also minimize it. Then you just drop the folder. So you just drop the folder. Let me just drop it again. Yeah, so you drop the folder that you have created. After you drop your first, you just click here, trust the author or whatever. So here we are going to create our new file. So our new file, we'll save it as let it call index.php, and remember to put .php at the end of it. Yeah, this is file extension, so just make sure that you put index.php So let's create our new file. Then you save there. We just create new file, index.php. Don't forget. Yeah, and we have our first file, or our first file for our first program of PHP. So we'll just open HTML. Just open HTML. Then in the HTML we just open a body tag. Then we just have our first heading. We can call it our first program, PHP program. Yes, you just close the head one. Yes, and basically now we can write our first PHP code. So here we'll just open our first PHP code. So this is how we start our tag, the first writing our PHP. So when we write our PHP, we just write echo, which it's for printing out whatever is inside these. Now these will be now printed. So we say hello world. Hello world. Yes. Then you close it with a semicolon. Then you close your PHP like that. Then remember to close your body tag. Then remember to close your HTML. Sorry. Yeah, so basically this is our first. You can save it, Control S, you can save it. Now to see whether our first program is running, so you just go to your browser and type localhost, then slash the folder that you created first. First. Yes, exactly. So we have our first PHP program. So this is your first program, and basically you can just play around this code, and yeah, just write some bit of stuff here, and you'll see it on your web browser. So get started. Let's get into this. Yeah, coding is fun. So this is your first program. So keep in touch. We are going to get continuing with this and many more others. Yeah, thank you so much.